Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply setting powder for oily skin. So I already Fenty face prepped my model Cat. I use Pro Filt'r foundation in 250 and Pro Filt'r concealer in 250. I'm going to take our Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch setting powder in the color Banana, which is an amazing under eye brightening color. I'm going to put a little bit on the cap. I'm going to take the little precision sponge and I'm going to take the one with the more pointier end. And I'm going to go ahead and just make sure that I blend out any kind of creasing that might have settled in with the concealer since it wasn't set yet. Then I'm going to take the other precision sponge, the one that has more of that angled end, flip it upside down and use that really nice soft velvety side to help apply powder. Really does an amazing job at picking up the product and laying it down so that it looks smooth and flawless. And I'm going to press this and just melt it into the skin. Now as you can see, it instantly sets the under eye and gives a really nice soft matte finish, but also helps the skin look really smooth, never looking cakey, never looking dusty. And this powder is so nice and fine, and it doesn't have any thickness or chalkiness to it, so when you layer, it's actually not going to get buildup on you, which is great. When you have more of an oily skin, I would suggest doing a double down on your under eye powder. So I already applied one layer. I'm just going to go in for another, just to really ensure that the under eye area is really nice and set, and it's going to help lock everything in. Now I'm going to take my powder puff setting brush and I'm going to dip into my product and tap. I'm going to start to just tap and roll this product all over. This pat and roll method really helps ensure that your makeup is going to have that really nice soft matte finish. Depending on the coverage, if I want to do more of like a light sweep, I do more of a sweeping motion all over the face. But if I want to really set the makeup, I like to pat and roll. And it's just going to give this really beautiful velvety texture and instantly takes away all the oil and shine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on setting powder for oily skin. Don't forget to subscribe at Fenty Beauty and make sure you let me know any of your favorite hacks down in the comments below.